Hi class, I'm going to walk you through a couple more lessons for the assignments that we had earlier this semester. I'm going to start with this Quizlet. It is over the summer family vacation or summer vacation that we've been working on. And the very last assignment you had was to list words that will describe your summer vacation in English and in Spanish. I gave you the tools to look those words up, help you find words if you don't know exactly what you wanted to post. And also I gave you a link to show you how to translate those words from English to Spanish. Now, you will find this Quizlet that I created for you to study under the study guides section of our class website. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through this. You can choose different ways to learn the words. This only has the 5 words that I required you to learn in English and Spanish, and then you had to choose 5 of your own, so you will only be able to study what I gave you on this here application. But this is flashcards, and as you can see, it says sunny. If you click it, it gives you that word in Spanish. If you go to learn, it gives you another way. It gives you another word, and down here you can click on whichever answer that you think is correct, and see that wasn't, and it gives you what you answered and what the correct answer is. And there's all different types of ways you can learn. You can do writing, you can check your spelling, which I think will be very good for learning these words in Spanish, to test your skill of knowing exactly how those words are spelled. Okay, the next part will be this Google form that I created. This will be on our class website under the quizzes section, and it asks questions about those same words that we learned. There are different types of questions. This one here is a multiple choice. You'll just read the question and click on whichever answer you choose. These other questions that I have for you, you will have to actually click on the line and type in the correct answer. After you've completed the quiz, it won't let you submit it until you've completed each question. Each question is mandatory, but after you complete it, I will be able to see that you completed this quiz and give you your scores. Once again, if you have any questions about either of these assignments, feel free to email me, tell me about it in class, or leave a comment on our class website. Thank you.